That's a moonstone. Oh, see that? We're done. Oh, see.
Discover gemstones, minerals, moonstones, and more. Oliver's Mining Company. It's the perfect time to explore Oliver's Mining. Newest attractions, Oliver's Mining gives families an opportunity to learn together and bond while enjoying an interactive mining experience for kids. Feel the rush as you pan and sift your way to finding beautiful gemstones waiting to be discovered. What's hiding in your pay dirt? Take your collection home in a keepsake gem bag, complete with a gemstone identification card and personalized labels. Start your gem collection today.
The bird got the key. What's that? Ooh, gem.
Look at all these colorful gems. Let's try another
Colorful
light.
gems. Oh.
Maybe we'll find the moonstone.
Yay!
We need to find the moonstone.
Now, let's go find the moonstone.
Hey, what's that moving?
What's that, Elijah?
A bat!
What's that? Oh, that's a...
A bat!
Ooh.
That was scary. Press one more light. Let's see what else is in here.
Nate, you don't need that here. Enough.
Look at the ear, it doesn't glow.
Wow.
Maybe that's our moonstone. But it's so far away.
Oh, let's go.
We need to find that moonstone.
Right there.
Now that we can see, we'll need to go deeper into the mine.
Baka mawala.
Oh, let's go deeper in the mine.
You don't need this.
Let's find the moonstone.
Go,
Far away.
Find the moonstone.
What do you do?
Almost there.
Like that.
Right there. Okay. Ooh, another one.
We gotta break through these rocks.
Connect.
No, I did that.
Okay, go.
Go, pull.
Ready?
Break the blocks and blast it.
Let's catch
Ooh, blast. Go. Break it. Ooh.
What's that?
Whoa, that was great.
Oh, you break the rocks, good job, guys. Good job.
The rocks have fallen and blocked our pathway again. We have to turn around.
No!
The plastic covered more.
Wow.
Look at how
Wow. Look the gems. Oh, see the gems?
Let's touch it! What's bigger?
I think this is the right way. There you go. Found it. You like it? Oh, so beautiful. Wow.
Oh, look at that!
Moonstone.
Yay!
Yay.
Okay na?
Oh, we're done. Let's go exit. Yay!